Hi, welcome to For Seller channel. This video will guide you how to use listing template when creating products for TikTok store on For Seller. Using listing template function can upgrade your publishing time and efficiency. Now let us begin. Step 1. Please go to the Shop Manage page to authorize your TikTok store. If you didn't authorize before, you cannot create the listing template, so make sure you have already authorized successfully. Step 2. On the left side and click the Listing Settings module. This page will show the all templates you set on For Seller. Choose the green button to generate listing template. Here you need to fill in template information like template name, shop, and choose the category, and then you can add the product information module, variations information module, and shipping information module. For example, you need to sell a dress. You can select different sizes, colors, brands, or other information of this dress in this template. You can also set the logistics information for this product. Last step, choose Save so that For Seller can save all information you set right now, and then go to the TikTok draft page to create a new listings. On the top of the right site, you can choose Apply Listing Template so that like variation information, products information, and shipping information can be applied to here. You can complete the remaining information and then publish this product. After filling all information of your products, just choose Save or Save and Publish button and click Publish. This listings will publish from For Seller to your TikTok store. By the way, For Seller support referencing module one by one. You can just choose set a product template, a variation template, or a shipping template. When you create the listings, please click the Add Information Template button at the right side of each layer of information. Thank you so much for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel. We will update new function irregularly.